And there's some big breaking update that we are getting for you at this point in time. Sources have told your channel that now the opposition is mulling bringing impeachment motion against Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar. Let me go across to my colleague Pragya getting us this information. Pragya, so now opposition, a united opposition we can say, is mulling bringing impeachment motion against the Rajya Sabha Chairman.
This is absolutely right. This is what sources have told us, that the opposition may not numbers. They are going to make a statement against Vice President, also Chairman of Rajya Sabha, Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar. And this is exactly what they have been telling, that there could be an impeachment motion that they are going to bring against Vice President, Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar. Obviously, Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar has been, telling them time and again to behave in a manner, and in fact, calling them out for their behavior in the House. And in fact, they had many altercations with Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar as well. But they know that Monday is the last day of Rajya Sabha as of now, because Parliament is supposed to run till 12th of August. And they're saying that they are going to bring in, if Rajya Sabha doesn't go night today, they will bring impeachment motion against Vice President on Monday. This is a big breaking news that we are giving to our audience. It's a very big on part of the opposition members. And in fact, they know that Jagdeep Dhankar has already told them that you are disrespecting chair and everything, despite the fact that they are altercation with the chair every other day. And Mr. Dhankar has been very vocal when it comes to, as he said, I'm not schooling, but schooling the opposition MPs. So, sources are telling us that while the whole today for the whole of the day from the session in protest, the conduct of they are mulling, thinking of bringing impeachment motion on the
Right, Pragya. Now, clearly, this is becoming a very big issue, because we saw what exactly happened in the Rajya Sabha today. On one hand, we have Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament Jaya Bachchan trying to suggest that a woman MP has been disrespected. On the other hand, the Rajya Sabha Chairman saying that it's not the first time, but several times we have seen the chair being disrespected in this manner. Of course, now it is becoming big with the opposition coming together on this issue. We saw how the walkout was staged, was in fact led by Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament from the Congress, Sonia Gandhi, and they demanded an apology from the chair. Have we heard anything from the BJP yet on this entire matter?
We spoke to Chief Whip in Rajya Sabha from BJP, which is Mr. Deepak Prakash. He said the conduct of the opposition as well as of Ms. Jaya Bachchan was condemnable, and he said that this has become a habit of the opposition MPs to disrespect the chair, and this should not be set as a precedent, because this is a very dangerous precedent. Chair is supreme, chair conducts, chair has discretionary power, and chair decides what to be done in the House. And if you disrespect chair, if you are not chair, and if you keep
all right, Pragya, appreciate you joining us with all of those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this developing story from the national capital.